Hi everyone, and welcome. Have you ever had a customer accidentally pay you more than they owed on an invoice? It's a common scenario, and knowing how to handle it correctly in QuickBooks is key to keeping your financial records accurate and your customers happy. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of issuing a credit memo for an overpayment. It's a straightforward task, but getting it right prevents future confusion. First, you need to record the full payment you received. Go to the plus new button and select Receive Payment. Choose the customer and find the invoice they were paying. In the Amount Received field, enter the total amount they sent, even if it's more than the invoice total. When you save it, QuickBooks is smart enough to see the difference and will create an overpayment or a credit on the customer's account. You can verify this by going to your customer list and checking their balance. You should see a negative amount, which represents the credit they now have with you. The next step is to formalize this credit by creating a credit memo. This document serves as an official record of the credit. Go back to the plus new button and, under the customers column, click on Credit Memo. Select the same customer from the drop-down menu. The date will default to today, which is usually correct. In the Product/Service section, you can either select the original item they purchased or, for clarity, you can create a new, generic service item called something like Overpayment Credit. Then, in the Amount column, enter the exact value of the overpayment. It is also highly recommended to use the Memo field at the bottom to write a clear note for your future self, such as credit from overpayment on invoice number 1052. Once you've filled this out, click Save and Close. Now that the credit memo is created, the customer officially has a credit with your business, and you have two options on how to proceed. Option 1. Apply the credit to a future purchase. This is the most common scenario. The next time you create a new invoice for this customer, QuickBooks will remember this credit. When you go to the Receive Payment screen for that new invoice, a pop-up will appear on the right, showing the available credit and asking if you want to apply it. You simply check the box, and the credit will be applied, reducing the amount the customer needs to pay. Option 2. Issue a direct refund. If the customer requests their money back, you can issue a refund. To do this, go to the plus new button again and select Refund Receipt or Check. After you select the customer, QuickBooks will again show you the available credit. You can then fill out the rest of the form, specifying which bank account the refund is coming from and the payment method. This action will pay the customer back and zero out the credit on their account. And that's it. By following these steps, you can confidently and accurately manage any customer overpayment. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you found value in this tutorial, please consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward tips to help you master your bookkeeping and grow your business. We'll see you next time.